Bombard! Bombard! Big batty money!
Amina!
Big batty money!
Supreme!
You want Supreme? No boy, I'm probably. A long time I was Bombard, no big star this! No big star this! No, you say red light, pepper light, yellow light, no. Fambo! Bombard! No boy! No, a long time I was in the Flambo. Flambo, sing a song for me, Flambo. Red light, pepper, Flambo. Flambo, you move like you want to hyper everybody else, Flambo. Red light, pepper light, no.
The pepper spray, there's man eye. The pepper spray, there's man eye. The pepper spray, there's man eye. Sorry. The pepper spray, there's man eye.
We know VIP, I know blood clot trip. Jump to my block, anything, tell them. Come on, man, move. Your blood clot. Move. You broke your cat, told me you push the wall, you. Broke like that, what are we broke? I independent. Yeah. Move your blood clot by your things like. Listen. Stick on the queen, your blood clot run out of eye from me. Why do you know that to you? They're gonna reach me up here. Come back up.
I cock about this, you know. Look there, it's a drop off 5 dog foot, you fuck. I cock about. Big guy, Joffy foot, you fuck. Go there. Look there, where, le, tepe, he, heel back, drop out, and ha. Bigger than my foot and my pants just tight and a bean in a boot. Cock a boot. Bumbo clot and a film shoes.
My man, it can't fit me, bro. My man, suffer me this.
Bumbo clot! Yo, you don't kill so I go. Yo!
Bro, I go to his house. So when I fuck a girl, them just say some random things in their ears, dog. Bust them head. You hear me, I tell you. Yeah, dog, bro. When you make nice, then you fuck, bro. Me, I tell you, dog. It might sound cringe to you, dog, but believe me, you see, girl, them I go crazy. You see me just say some random shit, bro. Now, mama ears, dog. We got landing on the track. Like, yo, bro, yo, alright, let me tell you, alright. That one day kind of is a wild card stick. But you see the Rick Ross ad-libs. You go in and mama ears and you say, huh? What the bumbuckler, dog? Dog, you see the teacher? You see the teacher laugh? Dog, she dead. She just a shake.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
Hey guys, my name is your honorable host, Ginger Birdie Master, and today we're gonna teach these 4 doors, 3 Uptownians, and 1 country girl off the cost. We're gonna start with the leader of the geeks.
How we are called country girl though?
Like a girl. It's a bumbuckler, I'm telling you.
No, you said bumbuckler night.
I'm telling you bumbuckler artistic girl, I'm telling you bumbuckler.
No, bumbuckler thinking shit.
In your mouth stick na bumbuckler that's on the belly.
That's why I go spit in your face. And it's a stinking mouth I go spit on you.
So, we're gonna teach them how to cuss, right? You ready, Sabisha?
I'm ready.
Say somebody go suck them, man. You hear say suck them, man.
That's rude. I don't really like to say stuff like that.
Bumbuckler is a fucking neat. Say suck your mother, say suck your mother.
Don't say nothing about my mom.
Come out of the class. Alright, we got Mr. Big Lips.
No, let me carry on with the class, bro.
If you're a bumbuckler shark with your big bumbuckler teeth, I'm gonna suck your mother on the belly, boy. Say that now, say that. Say suck your mother.
Suck your mom, dude.
Alright, come out of the class. And we have Dante. Yay!
Suck your mom, bro.
Alright, come out of the blood clot class. Duplex. You hear me, darling? Tell Saboteur to go suck your mother.
Saboteur, go hold him.
Oi, hey. Saboteur.
Just said to me, idiot girl. I'm come down there and teach you.
Cuss him.
Don't let me disrespect you here, girl.
Spit on her. Spit on her.
Achoo.
I'm gonna spit on you. You want some of my ketchup and rice? Look hungry. Look at you. You feel like some fucking madman at the street with your head. No, you look so. Look at you.
We're not let mother watch this class with me.
Gingerbread body master, you're not gonna make her talk to me.
You won't have to suck out to the woman. No,
you go suck out back here, man.
You go suck here, You Batman down below me, so you go suck for your mother to batty boy. With a bum buckler, big nose. You long click, girl. We are by nail and that's what
It is not long.
It is
not long.
Big tough face, girl. Look at your neck long, bitch. You feel a ostrich.
It's
you
not
fucking
long.
ugly bum buckler, girl. Right turn, left turn, up turn, down turn. Suck your bunga belly, girl. You just come like remote control, bitch. You're not gonna
talk to my friend like that, gingerbread body master. You're not gonna.
You ugly bum buckler boy with a black shirt pussy. A thief as a madman back here. Big ugly long clip batty man.
Actually, it's a quarter.
Suck your bunga belly, boy.
Hi, my name is Dante, and I like to eat ass.
Suck your batty boy. You're next one. Lick out your bunga belly, boy. Who next?
You're not gonna talk to my friends like that.
Pussy boy. You would fear bum buckler pussy lip, eh? Cause suck out them hungry belly boy with a bum buckler sharp teeth them batty man. Alright.
I want to finger his pussy lip.
You no batty tar. You would fear bum buckler braces them down pussy. Like a fentanyl having a fear blood clot more batty man. Like you take you wire them off where people in fence and put in your ass clot more look a ballad batty man. Suck out them hungry belly boy.
You're not gonna talk to me and my friends like that. Just don't make me buck you at halfway tree. That's fine.
Fucking Newark. Say it again.
Listen to me.
You know my dad, man.
My dad is Andrew Holness and you're not gonna get away with this.
Saboteur, charge up, man.
Duplex, charge with us.
Reach first from off my ketchup and rice.
Yo, go to Slim Man. Shake what your mama gave you.
Nothing.
No. I see one girl chat, I go approach her. I want me to say, fine little shit. That use out. Little ant shit. That fine, you know? Claw, ant shit, dog. A little bacteria shit. That's as fine as it gets. What
are the brands of these dogs?
Sir Chihuahua, Shiba Inu.
A mongrel, them a mongrel.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. At least that one there, the long time mongrel. Them a mongrel, my boss. And
Imagine you walk by road going 12 o'clock at night and say you want something in one shop to buy and buck up our blood clot, that's all fish.
Yeah, we're live. Okay, we're here live where you can see the massive flooding. It's causing motorists to drive the opposite direction. Yeah. As you can see here, we have a resident. We're having a resident giving directions. So now we're going to talk to the resident and see what is happening right now. Okay. It's working.
For me young still this a one, you know.
Yes.
You know. But the way they tell me say catch it at a lie.
Catch your hat alive. That's what it is. So that's just the ending clip of a sad series in the road that has been flooding. I'm your host, TVJ News.
All my life I never do such a ugly girl. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm with your girl. I never knew this girl is so ugly. Mama put a blood clot. Put her back here. Because ugly. I never know how this even look at me doing something so ugly. No man. No stop. You have to mash him up pine. Man, mash him up. Man, tell your girl you're waste, man. Kicking in teeth nerves. You got this, my dog. You got this. Never mind. Yes! Yeah, I'm down now. You now fit my dog. Why do that? Why do that? Me don't know that, but love him. Love him, dog. Please, God, make a reason about it.
It was the same thing I was doing last night still.
Bye.
Huh?
I baby bye, boy.
What are you talking about?
What?
Why are you talking like that?
Why you talking like that? Bye.
Still a go off a bass
Don't know.
Oh, sorry, Mama, you just take my breath away a while ago. You're so beautiful. I just love your toes. If your toes never have a face, it would have look like you. Yeah, man, for real, I want to take you out. No, matter of fact, I want to keep it.
No, no, G. What you say now? Matter of fact, you have a vibe now. Put it on like this.
Nah, man. You beat, man. Never mind. We're good. We're good, man.
Is what I got in my house? What to you?
Me food,
Oh no, poor soul.
it break.
How that happened?
Me dey a back flick.
Oh.
I'ma jump on my ankle. Me all feel it in my shank.
Alright, hold on there. May I get something for the pain? Which part you say I hurt you again?
My ankle and my shank.
How much time I tell you? Stop the arms. How much time I tell you? You still a feel it? You still a feel the pain? You gotta do. You feel it somewhere else, dog. You're a gymnast. Suppose I did broke one of my figure in the entertainment center. The devil find work for Iger hand. Your hand them Iger. Stop it your foot too.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop! Jamaica, stop!
And you know the fuck up part I chat? Back in the 80s and 90s, you know. You could have go through airport with whites and grades like say a flower and color low, you know. But then choose not to. Chat if them did serious, you know, you all would have born with gold spoon and diamond fork, you know. And now they want come pressure man. But education a key when them could have been a sell keys. Yo, dog, you know me would have feel proud as a dunce man, bro. I cut land for my family then hotel resort. Bro, you know me would have feel good a pack bag in my family then them supermarket. Dog, them fuck up. And next thing, the people them will love drive and dash things through window, bro. If you stop it. You see me stop dirty up Jamaica. Yeah, me not like it, bro. You pass all some bullshit here. You see plastic there right this and them style like that. When you dash your plastic through window, you know, and it there over in a bush, you know. Nobody now clean up that, you know. You pass that and see that for the rest of your life, you know. And even like say on the thing out of the box like me, bro. You know, say when me in a vehicle and me a dash things through window, me wait till me a pass somebody yard. Me fling that at them yard gate, I fling it over them yard, bro. Them I go clean up that. You see me when you left it in the bush, bro. You don't have to think out, you don't have to think in a dog.
Of course she have the bag with a little son. She pretty. Pretty of course she have the bag.
Gabby, Nexie, they've been bullying me at school and I don't know what to do.
Idiot, girl, what am I bullying for this time?
Oh shit, them a bully. You look like some little nerd girl. What them do? What them do?
They're always just picking on me for no reason, and
What pick on you?
What them name?
they call him the gingerbread buddy master.
Yeah, get bullied by a youth named the gingerbread body master. When the terrorize the school with him body.
Terrorized by one ginger body?
That is some of the things he's been calling you, huh? Megamind, Sid from ICH,
Piano teeth,
Duplex artistic cousin.
Trixie 11K.
Are actually kind of new. I've never heard those ones before.
What are the type of things he's been saying to you?
Let me know.
Because my glasses are stupid.
Yes. At least I can see my dad, what you don't have.
I'm gonna write that down.
What else that gingerbread body man is saying to you?
He's always saying mean stuff about my mom.
Like what?
Your mom's so fat, she can't even walk through the door.
That at least she's my mom. At least she's mom.
She's my mom, yeah.
Yeah.
What else does he say?
He's always saying that my teeth look like train tracks.
He's my smile brightens up the world while he's so black. And
At least my smile brightens up the day, while your smile is super lame.
Oh, burn. If you see him, what are you gonna say? You're gonna be scared?
Of course not. I'm gonna use all the stuff that you guys taught me. And I'm gonna tell him that he's a stupid. Guys, that's him! That's my
gingerbread body master that?
That's the gingerbread monk.
Our friend has learned a few things.
Try me.
What are you talking about, gang? I don't even bully
You always tell me about my mother and how she's fat.
Hey, gabi tara boya mara. Big orange gabi na suck out tama gabi tara boya mara. Big long click gabi tara boya mara.
And you always tell me about my glasses.
Fucking bend up, teeth them gabi tara boya mara.
Yes!
You fucking vieille na konta mo mi tara boya.
Every day you put me in the lockers. And then you go kiss the freshman under the stairs.
I'm gonna make fuck all girl. You see me kiss somebody under the stairs?
I don't even know what that word means. You're such a stupid fart.
Fart? Did you just call me a fart?
Oh yeah. What's she gonna do about it, huh? I'm gonna carry Nexie and Sabby with me. Right, guys?
What the fuck are these dorks gonna do?
Nexie and Sabby are gonna come and they're gonna beat
Make sure you deserve it.
Anyways, don't laugh at me. Let's talk out your mouth. Don't laugh at me.
Bart.
If you let me want to take one car run over your kilo. You know, you don't feel like I tell if you're dead.
You can't even drive.
You know, that's how I'm gonna use a clean speed steering. Stuck your mummer. Tell me I'm gonna get a shake like this. Circle that shake. Circle that shake. Rocky two side, Rocky two side. Kita blink like blinker. Okay, Rocky two side, Rocky two side. Wanna come back for? Let's talk out in.
Yeah. People, right. People, never you tell yourself, say, you are going to take the show or you are going to mash up the show. Because me one time, they come for me, run my Red Bull hot like fire, and then come for me and say, come on, you. I know some song are the baddest song, I'm going you. So when I walk out, I say, I am swagging. The people they say, too bad for you. Me say, I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. The people they say, liquor done, no ice not there. Shame like dog. I'm here to go call and they say, on stage, don't top like someone man run out and say, what is it? What I say? Anyway, we go to get a little Tana man. I say, I hate him. I don't like. Come here, I say, oh, the man just mash up the show, so you never go and talk about you take the show. You understand? It's like how last night I said, I take the show from Skipper them and Top Banks. Because I don't know that show they mix up together. Alien work before Fambo. And then they call and Skipper and Top Banks and some man. Which song they sing? Who know them in Jamaica? And Alien sing with bands. And Alien and Fambo a big star. And then Skipper. Your part then. I don't know. Because that show mix up.
Baby, man. Cameraman, move! Cameraman, move! Move, cameraman! Move! The junker, move! You can't see me. You can't see me. You're broke. You're broke, cameraman. I want the cameraman. Cameraman, move! I say, signal the plane. I say, signal the plane. Signal the plane. Come off of this. Signal your dirty junker. Come off of this. Come off of this. I say, signal the plane.
Pull up my clock, yo!
Pull up my clock. Which What was that? Yo!
You say let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper the words of wisdom.
Nobody hear that now.
Tie all you dogs.
Father. Father. Hey boy, father.
Much scratches before me. And you go come tell me say you never name pussy yet. With a liar's blood clot say, boy, me no see a long time you name pussy. Fair you the end you name pussy. You come meet bad girl. And go tell bad girl say, oh, me no name pussy. Boy, you feel like me I eat that. You just don't rate me enough in name my pussy. Look here, you name pussy like dog. You name pussy like drunk. You want name fuck boy. You know stop name crutches. Or low life. You want like a freaky blood clot, dicky. Out of damn bright, you come class me. You think you feel like I said, let me sit down and make a class me? Go jump through here, ma. If never go suck, man, I go jump through for you. Or low life. Oh, good for nothing piece of shit. Bright and out of about this and about that and about this and about that. When me a Yankee that talk, me.
Yes, we have some problems, Gingerbread Bunny Master. Me and Nixer, right, Nixer?
Yeah, we have some problems, bro. Like, we need your help, bro.
With what?
And like, we're getting bring down in mix.
They might try to bring me down, bro.
Trickster.
You see me?
Oh, so you want to bring them down? Basically, we want to start a mix up over here.
Definitely, bro. Let me show you her picture. Hold on.
I'm just ugly that.
Gingerbread, stop now, you make me blush.
I know him can't get.
This is the girl that brought me down on TikTok other day. Because I didn't want to crack.
So guys, you're not going to tell me how?
Oh, do that. I will bring her.
Well, Duplex, since you're like the queen of mix-up, we brought you here to help us as well and to tell us what we can, you know, as the queen of spitting on people and bawling.
Mr. Who bring her in? Who bring her in? Which one I wanna bring her in my classroom? Which one? Brace his mouth. Where bring the buckler girl in for? Who the fuck tell us this girl come in my classroom?
Savitar, are you going to betray me?
I don't know her, Gingerbread Bunny Master. I'm kind of scared.
Am I not talking to Brace's mouth? Why did you bring her in here?
Don't switch up now. Don't switch up.
Dante and Nexa, not speaking to you. So shut the fuck up.
Nexa, yes, strays.
I just thought she was good at mix-ups, Gingerbread Bunny Master. That's all it was to it.
Yeah, we were just using her.
So hold on there. Are this a girl that spit party people in wildlife?
Yes,
Okay, no, not speak my language now. Okay, welcome, what's your name? Speed Planet? Welcome. My name is
actually Duplex.
Speed Planet. My name is excuse me?
Duplex.
You're in my classroom, Speed Planet. As I was saying, my name is the Gingerbread Bunny Master. It's nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
Savitar, you spit by me.
So may I talk to the girl and she ignore me?
Oops.
Savitar, you spit by me.
I'm sorry, what you want?
You want me to make it even?
You want me to call Tish on you?
My fingers are spraying right now.
Your fingers are what?
Spraying, not right now.
This take a whole turn. Just continue.
I just thought she was good at mix-up, so you're the king of mix-up and she's the queen.
You basically
are y'all gonna fuck? I mean, yeah, continue.
I mean, do you wanna, you know?
No, I'm a virgin.
Not talking to you. Talking to you, Duplex. You wanna, you know? You wanna feel some of this ginger, you know?
Gingerbread, are you having sex on the live?
With you, yeah. Tell the people I'm
Oh, no.
Yeah, man, no, I feel the hood.
What the fuck? Bro, later. No.
We got you a lot.
Yes, we have some problems, Gingerbread Bunny Master. Me and Nix